So dry. Okay, we're gonna do an eyebrow tutorial. I already did this one. Honestly, she's looking pretty good.
Mom,
Let's do this one.
Mom, I knew how to change my profile all by myself, and I did.
Awesome.
Let me show you.
Okay. So, oh my god, I didn't wash my face and whatever. It's late at night. Who cares? We're just playing. So anyway, so your materials, you're gonna need your eyebrow pencil, whatever you use. You don't have to have this one specifically, okay? This one is from, wait. Okay, this one is from Trace Loose. It's Becky G. I don't know if you can get this anywhere anymore. You know, I got it at Ulta. My Ulta doesn't carry it anymore. I don't know if this brand, I don't know if Becky G's still rocking with it. But anyway, brow pencil, okay? And then you're going to want your concealer. I'm just using the NARS Pot Concealer, the soft matte. By the way, okay, I'll have to do a separate video because I have to share some thoughts on this. Nothing bad, okay? But somebody had asked me, somebody had said something about this in comparison to the NYX sticks. You know, the new one I'm talking about, whatever it's called. I didn't forget what it's called, but you know what I'm talking about. And we got to talk about it, okay? Because I got notes, but we'll get to that later. And then you're going to need some kind of brow gel, freeze, hold, whatever have you, okay, that you like to use. This one, I'm just using the Fluff Up Brow Wax for this, okay? Not that this one is bad, but what I have noticed, because I do have quite thick, curly brow hairs, okay? And these things like to fall, all right? So while I do like the Fluff Up Brow Wax, if you have thick hair that also like curls, okay, this is not going to give you an all day hold. It just won't. Your brows will fall, okay? But anyway, I do like the way this feels though. Okay, it is pretty good. For a few hours, like you'll be rocking with this. But like if you gonna be wearing makeup for like 6+ hours, your brows gonna droop. All right. But anyway, oh yeah, and then we gonna smooth these things down. All right. But anyway, let's get into it. Oh, I took the stopper out of mine to get literally all of the products, to utilize every last bit, because I couldn't get anything out of here with that stopper still in there. So I had to like take it out because I'm gonna get my money's worth. Okay. Okay. There's so much. I think I might have went overboard with how much I use. Good Jesus. Plus, why am I not looking in a mirror? Like, I'm just making things so hard on myself. Contacts got stuck. Okay, that's step one. We're gonna let it dry a little bit. All right, all right, all right. If you need to speed up the drying process, baby, get yourself a fan, okay, and just fan your brows. All right. Now, when your brows are like not fully dry, but like partially there, then you wanna laminate them hoes, okay? So just, spackle these things up here. All right, and then of course, like you can shape a little bit. I don't know what that noise was, but anyway. Yeah. So yeah, this is where we are. Boom, like so. I mean, are they matching for the most part? They're sisters, not twins. They're pretty same so far. All right. And then we're just gonna, let them continue to dry. All right, fan on, fan on. Okay, so once it's dry, then I like to take my brow pencil and I'm like barely applying any pressure, and I just like to do a little outline on the underside here, and we're just gonna extend that tail out. Okay, and then in the front, we're just gonna, like I said, we're barely touching the pencil to our skin, and we're just gonna do these little hair-like strokes in the front, and then I don't really go in on this part right here because it's pretty full, but the tail end, we like to make sure, she gets some love over here. Really make sure. And if you mess up, it's okay. This is why we have concealer, okay? So, okay, boom, boom. She's filled in, we're good. Now we move on to concealer. All right, now I'm gonna take my concealer. I have a flat concealer brush, okay? And we're just gonna clean up some stuff. So we're just gonna clean up underneath here like so. Okay, we don't need to make it like a heavy line. Okay, and then I did mess up a little bit over here, so we're just gonna do that, and then we're just gonna blend it out, okay? I'm just gonna smooth that out a little bit. All right, and then in the front, to prevent the Sharpie effect here in the front, okay, I just have another concealer brush that just has a little bit of product on there already from whenever the last time I put on makeup was, and we're just gonna buff that out and soften the front a little bit there, just so we avoid having Sharpie brows. And I'm just gonna clean that up a little bit. And then, yeah. And boom, we have lovely manicured brows, okay? And we ready. I feel like if you have your brows done, even if you don't do the rest of your face, I feel like if you have your brows done, can't nobody tell you nothing, okay? Like, honestly, brows and mascara go such a long way. Like, can't nobody tell you nothing. Okay. Anyway, yeah. I hope this was helpful. Go practice those brows, friend. Okay, go practice those brows. Anyway, ta-ta.